So now I want to look at some mirrors, and I'm just going to do all three at once. So you probably can't tell, but if you look over here, there's some mirrored surfaces here. Let me get this last one. So I've got three mirrors. One of them is concave, bowed in. One of them is convex, bowed out. And one of them is flat, or planar. So let's see what happens here when I use each of these mirrors. And let me turn this one upside down. So let's start with the flat mirror. Nothing shocking. Can you see the beams okay? Mm-hmm. So obviously if you only block one beam, you only get one reflected, etc. But notice, no matter where they hit on the mirror, they all get reflected the same way. That's like the standard mirror you have at your house, probably. Now let's try convex. Now this one's a little bit trickier, so I'm going to put it right here. All right? So I can tell it's misaligned because the center beam is not going back on itself. So I'm just going to adjust this until the center beam goes straight back. And that means I've probably got this aligned. So in this case, I'm going to take a whiteboard marker. So I forgot to grab it, so I'm getting the marker. All right. And now what I'm going to do is just trace these lines. I probably could be better, but I don't care. I want this over with. Oh, shoot. That was pretty bad. All right. So in this case, I'm going to turn the light on. Oops. Like this. And I could see it's not perfect because my lines weren't perfect, but they approximately match up right here. So it's as if they came from a focused light source right there. All right, that's one kind of mirror. Finally, let's do the other one. Okay. All right, and now, let's see, I think we're up to the concave. That was the convex. Next up is the concave. And so when I do this one, let me just scoot it back a bit. And again, I'm going to turn this a little bit so we can see the beam slightly better. In this case, I want to focus it so that the, oops, let's get this out of here. There, now I can see better. So here's the focal point, and I'm just going to line that up right in the center of the beam. Notice this one, the incoming light rays focus right here. Okay, now we'll turn the light on. Oops, on. So that was just the edge of the mirror. Looks like I forgot one. Oh well. So the light rays came in, and they all focused right here. There's probably one right about there. And so this one, the focal point is right there. Now if it helps, for reference, I should have measured the other one, but I didn't. That one looks like it's about 15 centimeters from this. Sorry, this is, oh my gosh. All right, you're just going to have to do a subtraction here. So this is at the 50 centimeter mark. It's about 14 to 15, somewhere, let's say 14 and a half. Okay. Sorry, I erased the other one. That's it.